Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. All right, perfect. Good morning, guys. We'll get started in a few minutes. Someone just asked me to watch this, to chart this play, but it looks very good. 472 break, this will go nuts. SUDP. Rev B. Rev B looks good. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, or good afternoon, or even good evening. Here's your level. This is Rev B. Keep this on watch. It's up 24%. It got killed yesterday, though. This thing got killed yesterday, 38% down, but looks like it's trying to make a reversal. Here's Rev B. So Rev B, just keep this on watch. Rev B, keep this on watch. So the reason why I say that is because although it's in a downtrend, right, which is okay, but it looks like the volume is coming in. It's up 21% this morning as well. So hopefully it holds that level so we can maybe look for entries later on today. But for those in the Discord, I'll mention later, but I probably won't be alerting today. We'll see. The pre-market hasn't changed much at all. There hasn't been, okay, Nexi ran a bit, but other than that, there wasn't really anything else. I've been on since pre-market open and it's been very slow. So everyone's just kind of waiting on the on what's going to happen with the rates. Fuel. That's a big candle wick. Nothing on this, to be honest with you. Daily. Let me see the daily. Daily's bearish. The daily's very bearish on this. Yeah, this isn't a great chart. Yeah, I mean, if anything, forced setup would be trying to enter if it breaks 0.8. That's all I would kind of do. Look at, but other than that, there's nothing here. It's literally, what is this, a 52-week low, I'm assuming, or whatever. But look, it's a strong downtrend. So yeah, these are like scalp day trade plays, if anything, if they get volume. But other than that, trying to hold this play is, I don't know, it just keeps going down and down. ENSC, I didn't take it earlier. Could be holding support. What is this level? $2. So we'll put $2 here, support, blue. Yeah. So this blue color is just a psychological level. So that's just holding $2 once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So hopefully it does hold this and bounce off this level, but ideally wait for 240. That's what you want. If you can get above 240, you should be all right. Mark. Be careful with this mark play. I know a lot of people are watching this, but oh, it's breaking out right now, actually. So Mark's breaking out of a falling wedge, which I had done. Yeah, it looks very good now. Mark. It's actually respect to this. So let me just check something quickly. I might be able to update the chart for you guys on Mark. Give me 1 sec. So Mark is breaking out. I don't know anything. I mean, during COVID days, this stock used to run with DWAC and that fund, PHUN. So whatever happens with that, these companies are all trash. That fund one dropped 2 offerings in 1 week. Remember 2 weeks ago? So that one was trash. This thing's the exact same thing. They dropped an offering as well. 260%. So these are just, you guys should never be holding these plays. These are lotto plays. Maybe you should trade with maybe 5% of your account if you do enter this. But yeah, what Mark's cash position Estimated character. Yeah, I know. These companies are all shit. Yeah, just avoid these things. I mean, I don't know. These are the scalps, if anything, but that's how it is. So hopefully, I mean, if anyone is in this, they can get out soon because, yeah, for me, it's not a setup at all. I won't be touching this. I don't play plays with offerings. I don't play halted stocks. Just stocks in a strong downtrend. Nexi, this one's looking good. I mean, it ran crazy yesterday. I even said in the Discord yesterday morning pre-market, I even missed it. I had it on my own watch list and I missed it. It was at like $9 or something. And I just said, so the reason why I broke out here, I don't know if it had news, but I charted it like this yesterday. So the reason was, look, we had a big run up. So this is the flagpole, right? And then this is the bear flag. So, oh, like this, right? So you expect price, or bull flag. So you expect price here to break out. And then obviously we can see it did that. So yeah, it was a pretty crazy move, to be honest with you. All you have to do here now is just simply, this is not a range you want to be entering. You want to wait for this break of high here. Then you can look for safe entries. SMFL. No look. SMFL. Nothing on. I mean, the last, I guess we can say, since what? Since the 23rd, it's been pushing to the upside, which is good. It's coming to a resistance level here, though, around here. 175 is your resistance level, but there's not enough volume for me. It's very, 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 very slow on this. If anything, I'm assuming this is a swing play, right? Smart for life. I don't know any. Yeah, I don't know anything about this play, unfortunately. Let's see what else is moving. So just the blue ones, all the plays are above $1, and then the orange ones are just sub $1 plays. Rev B, nothing on that. Rev B's up here. We'll put this down here with Nexi. ENSC, okay, that broke $2, which is not good. That's why we wait for 240. I'm waiting for 240. If it breaks 240, then I'll be interested, but trying to enter now is just a gamble. MDAI, nothing on this, but on the larger time frame, it needs 330. Look, huge resistance here. If we can get a candle closure above, that would be ideal. So every time it's got to 330, it's just rejected it. Yeah, it's a swing. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, I mean, if you're in it, nice job. MINM, I would just keep this one on watch because it ran 18% yesterday. It is in a bullish pennant, but recently bullish pennants haven't been playing off so well from what I've noticed. However, this is a bullish continuation pattern, so you do expect price to continue and push to the upside, but with today's market, I'm not very convinced on any setup, so I doubt I'll be sharing many charts for you guys on Twitter. And then also just in terms for the Discord for alerts, I don't think I will be giving any alerts. We'll see, because the market hasn't changed much since pre-market and it's very, very slow, so I don't want to be forcing setups. Shut up, Elmo. See, PXLW, damn, this thing's getting rocked. Here we go, down here. So largest demand zone, I'm just going to try and get this kind of zone area here. So it's 10-minute demand zone. 10-minute demand zone. So here's your demand zone on PXLW. This is what, Pixelworks, yeah. So this was running with Disney News, I think. And then also Disney was up yesterday. I don't know if they had earnings. Yeah, so Pixel's moving, coming down, 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 down. let's see. Yeah, so this is here. So let's see if it holds this demand zone. This is from pre-market demand zone. So like the low around here. Let's see if it holds that low day. PTPI. That thing got rocked yesterday. Holy smokes. I traded it yesterday for a bit. That's it. PTPI. It's actually moving up. Where is this thing? PTPI. Here it is. I'll just move it around here somewhere. So PTPI, I have to clean this whole chart up. 1 hour. Nothing really that clear on it. I guess we could say this is it's a larger demand zone here. This range, when the range is this big of a demand zone, you can use this here, I guess, if you want. So just like that, and then just drag it across. That's your whole zone. So this is your, let's write 30-minute demand zone, 30-minute demand zone. Right, here's your demand zone like this, 30 minutes. So, I mean, you can say it's respecting that. It is pushing up. So you can see this is a resistance level here. 130, it's every time it's got here, it's rejected, right? So you need a closure above 130, then maybe you can look for entries. That's what you could do on this. Like this. Here we go, like that. What about Trib? Trib's here. Nothing on Trib. Just all you can do is just mark the support level like that. There's no, it's just literally consolidating. There's no trend. I don't know what's going to happen. IVP, I saw this was up like 5% just a couple minutes ago. IVP. Needs to read. Oh, you mean FGEN, Elmo? I think FGEN, right? IVP, nothing on this. You can keep it on watch because it ran yesterday, but there's nothing on this, to be honest with, for me. There's nothing. It's just downtrend, look. Nothing on this. AHT. Oh, AHT looks good. Let's still watch this. This is moving. Yeah, this looks very good. Let's just go to large time frame, see what levels there are. So resistance levels are just these here. So 187. What was this? Probably like 205. Yeah, look, 205. And then 240. So these are your levels on this, on HT. It looks good. I like this. Strong wicks though, just be cautious of that. I'll wait on that. Plug. What happened to plug? Plug's been getting. Oh, it's up 9%. Plug. Trying to find where I have plug. I know I have it somewhere. Let's do it again. Plug is, let's see what plug's doing. So plug, give me a sec. 1 second, guys. Plug. So plug's moving. Yeah, this looks very well. This is bullish. This is very bullish. It's just broken the 4-hour high as well. Yeah, this looks very, very good. Yeah, add plug to your watch list. I like this. Looks very good. It's broken a 4-hour high. Look, here was the high, and then it broke this high from pre-market as well. FGEN. Oh yeah, my FGEN play. Let's see why. Oh, my FGEN play. I'll tell you why I alerted this thing yesterday. Let me check and just double check why I got an FGEN. FGEN. I'll tell you now why. I'll explain to you guys why I alerted this play yesterday. Reason for that on FGEN. Okay, yeah, FGEN, this is why I alerted it yesterday. So we won the 5 minute yesterday. Let me see, where was yesterday? Yesterday was the 30th. Let me double check why. 52. Yeah, this was it here. So the reason why I alerted this yesterday was because this is what we had. We had the 5 minute chart. This was pre-market yesterday. This was intraday. So this was the last red candle before the move. So I just moved it as low as this candle here. So we had this zone like that. And then basically this was my demand zone going into open like this. So this was my 5 minute demand zone like this. So I'm just reviewing why I took this trade yesterday and gave this as an alert. It ran, I'll tell you now, it ran like 19% yesterday in the Discord. So I gave it, the alert that I gave was at 155. So what happened was I identified this before pre-market. So I had this chart like this and I drew my demand zone. And then I identified that it ran up and open. It did all its crazy things, which I didn't care about. Let it run as high and far as it wants. I wait for the pullback. So what I did was I simply waited for it to come down into its demand zone. Once I saw it come down to its demand zone, I waited for it to pull back here. I waited an extra 5 minutes. And then once I got this candle closure here at 155, this is where I entered. And then it ran all the way up to 194. So that's why I gave FGN yesterday, which ran like 19%. MV, but what do you think? NBVE above VWAP. I wouldn't touch MV. I don't know. MVV halted like a lot yesterday. It's down 31%. I mean, there's not really too much to say. It's really just, this is the high here. That's all you have really, to be honest. Mini uptrend, but I mean, buys are stepping in. You can see it's starting to push up, which is good. No IVP, they shared news, so I wanted to confirm the chart before entry. Oh, IVP. Oh, right, okay. ENSC, is this thing going? Nothing on this. So look, 180 was previous resistance right here, look, and now look, it came down to this level. As I mentioned to people in the Discord and just in general for you guys to understand, just because this is an area of support, it doesn't mean it's going to come down to exactly 180. It can come a little bit above, it go a little bit below. So this is like your support 185 at the moment, but it's wicking rejection off $2, which is not a good sign. Good morning, just joined live. What happened to ENSC? ENSC, what happened to it? I don't know what happened to it. I don't know anything about the news. I don't know anything about the company. Oh, they're positive, end of 2. Here we go. Here's the news for ENSC. Plug gives some levels. Please, would you give some levels? Here's your levels on plug. 442, 484, or 485. 440. These are just key levels. These are not targets. So you do not hold for these levels. Okay, if you're holding for these levels, then you'll probably lose. 6.35. Right, here's your levels on this plug. Here's your levels for plug. I will put it on Twitter so you can save it and print it out. Key levels. LYT, everyone's going about LYT, LYT, LYT. There it goes, out of this channel down pattern that I had. Wowza. Did anyone get in this thing? Was anyone trading that thing? If they are, well done. She gone. Yeah, this I posted on my Twitter. So this one, I don't know. I'm assuming it had news, right? This is why it's running. I don't know any other reason why it would run. Yeah, plug please and thanks. Yeah, I did plug. Market is dead. Yeah, I mean, it's just going to be today's going to be weird. It's FOMC, 2 hours before market close. Everyone's just going to be chilling and waiting around. Plug, please and thanks. LYT, here's my 34%. Nice. Well done. Bitcoin's still looking bullish. Big dump and market close yesterday. To be honest, with Bitcoin, I have no idea, brother. I don't trade crypto, so I don't know. I don't know the crypto market. This is my 4-hour chart. This is my monthly chart. It's in a bullish pennant on the monthly. Smaller time frames, I don't know. I don't think it's necessary to look at a Bitcoin on a smaller time frame. On the 4-hour, yeah, it's bullish. You're in an uptrend. That's all I can really say. But FOMC is going to maybe make some moves on this thing. So just keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Yeah, well done on LYT. All right. Plug. Okay, I'm going to go over my watch list and then I'm going to head to Discord. So I have a lot on my watch list, probably into open. There'll be like 2 or 3 on my watch list. So if I do give any alerts, we will see if we find some. But Plug is probably one of my top watches. That does not mean buy the stock now. Does not mean full port. Doesn't mean get in now. I'm just saying that is one of the top plays that I'm watching. AHT, just got an eye on this. 187 break. ENSC. This one also possible mover. It's also a former run as well, so I like it. I'm going to wait for 240. MDAI. Nothing really on this. Waiting for 330. MINM, still bullish. PXLW. Ideally, I want it back in this 5-minute demand zone if we can get there. If not, it's not the end of the world. I'll wait for 201. PTPI is actually breaking 130 now. Yeah, volume's coming in on this. Looks good. ONMD, this is looking very, very, very good. This was on my watch list for today for you guys. It is in a bullish pennant. You're expecting price to break out of this, so keep this on watch. From today's watch list, ONMD, yeah. On today's watch list. So the one this means that I gave it to you guys on Twitter earlier. So I gave this to you guys with some other plays, which on ONMD, there's a couple others. I can't remember which ones are on the watch list, but those are what I have. Kraken, SGUP. This one I'm just watching on a larger time frame basis. I'm waiting for 472. I have an alert on that. RVSN. Just gonna watch this former runner. Next, RevB and Nexi. Nexi will be a big watch. These two, GHSI and Nexi, because this ran crazy yesterday. Kraken trash. Kraken hasn't changed since someone asked me about it. 0.15. So, Alfonso, just a tip. Remember 0.15. Draw this chart, copy it, print it out, whatever you need to do to remember 0.5 break. Other than that, I would not touch it at all. SRFM. Let me see here. SRFM. Nothing on this, unfortunately. For now, it's in a downtrend. For me, yeah. SRFM. This is what I have for it. For now. CNXA. All right, I'll check this out and then. Nice. So CNXA, here's your chart. You need 0.35. This thing has been trying to get to 0.35 for ages. Here's your like 20 demand zones since I've charted this thing. You need, what is this? 0.35. CNXA, there's your CNXA. Watch for 0.3500 break. Okay, all right guys, also one thing to mention, okay, I'm not going to be promoting the Discord much anymore because today is the last day that you will be able to join the Discord for $60 a month, okay? That means that if you join today, you will be locked in for $60 until you cancel. Current members, you guys will find nothing changes, but from tomorrow, from February, there will be 10 spots for for the month, and the price will be going up to $70 or $80. Okay, we haven't confirmed yet. When Hassie's when we're done today, myself and Hassie are going to discuss what we're going to do, but the price will be going up from $60 to probably $70 or $80 for next month. Okay, if you're a current member, you are paying $60 until you cancel. You are locked in at that price. If you want to join today, there are spots left for this month for $60. So if you want to join, you can join. But like I said, in February, the prices will be going up, and there will be 10 spots for the month of February. When they are gone, they are gone. Then in March, we will be opening up spots again. There will be 10 spots again. Okay, and the price will probably still be $70. We're not going to move it up that much. We're just moving it up because we haven't moved the price up from $60 in probably a year. So we will be moving the prices up tomorrow. So today is your last day if you want to join for $60. Yeah, here's a link if you want to, but that is your choice. Lovely falling wedge on GHSI. Yeah, it's trying to. I really like it. It's setting up really well. I would say it's a channel down pattern. It's not a falling wedge yet. Why is this thing being stupid? This looks very good though. Yeah, and I'm only in this Discord. I'm only in Tiger Line Trading. I'm not in any other Discord. People ask me every day. I'm only in Tiger Line Trading. So I will mention it one more time for those who joined. This is the last day to join the Discord for $60 a month. Next month, there will be 10 spots available, and the price will be going up from $60 to $70 or $80. We have not decided, but tomorrow you will know the new price. So it's up to you if you want to join now. If you join today, you will be locked in. ENSC. Nice on ENSC. Well done. All right, guys, I'm going to head into Discord. I've got to do some live trading for the members. I see we have a few of you joined, which is great to see. I will catch you all in the Discord. Google Meets link will be sent out just before open. I will see you all in there. Thanks again, guys. I will catch you all tomorrow. Remember, it's the end of the month. So I hope you finish it strong. Have a great day. I appreciate you all. Peace out, guys.